I turned my office into a studio, so that makes me an official YouTuber, right? One of the first things I need to take care of in my new office is this purple wall. And though I do love purple, being a University of Washington alumni, it needs to go. It doesn't fit with my office aesthetic, and it's not ideal for being a studio. So I'm going flat black. So as I showed you earlier, I have that big purple wall in my office, and not ideal. So since I've been watching Becky and Chris for years and loving the matte black look of their interior design, I gotta give it a shot. So black magic, that's what we're looking for. Can I get just the basic, the Glidden Essentials in black magic if we have it, in flat? Gonna need one of these. Hopefully just one.
You see how black that is for you?
I hope it's super black. I am so freaking excited. I've been wanting to do this for years. I've finished just a little bit so far. I got all the borders painted and I did this little patch right here. And this is why I'm so excited to go matte black, because take a look at the purple around it and it is reflecting the light. It looks almost white, yet this matte black is absorbing it. There's hardly any reflection, so I'm excited to be able to shoot in here and not have reflection everywhere. Plus, it just looks cool. Little peanut butter and jelly break while the first coat of flat black dries. It's looking pretty awesome. Holy crap, this turned out absolutely fantastic. I love it. It is so freaking good. Better than expected. So happy I made the choice to try this out. It looks so good with my stuff. The contrast, all the color tones. Best decision ever. So much so that any future office setup or studio design, even interior design, yeah, I'm gonna probably go flat black, or at least have it at the top of my list. As for studio setup, I need some help. So maybe I'll set up a YouTube live if I have time, which we all know I don't have a lot of, and you can tell me what needs to go where, because I need all the help I can get.